So, what's up, family? You are watching iCore, a place of intelligence, and welcome back. Today, we are moving on with the Turbo C Part 2, and today we are going to play with the numbers but in a different way of form, in the form of calculator. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. So first we have to open, as you all know, the simple thing is that, and now I am going to tell you how you can open your program. See, it has already been opened, but from this I am first closing the program. Then you have to go to the file, then open, and then we have to down this down arrow, and then is the Sarthak which name we have said. We have to press open twice. Okay, twice the program will be open. And since today we are going to play with the numbers, so without any further delay, let's start, because it's going to be a little bit harder one today, because today we have to type so much. So let's start. And today we are going to play with numbers. So in calculator, the things we are doing is that sum, subtract, then multiplication and division. So we also know that the sum of integers is always an integers, where it is the multiplication, division or anything, their product is the integers only. So in the integer we will also define the addition, like addition, ADD add, then subtraction, SUB subtraction, then we will write multiply, MULTI multiply, and then we will write DIV. Okay, now we have written DIV, and now we will, after clear screen, we will add the value. Okay, we have to define their value. So A is equal to 100, and now we are going to write B is equal to 150. Okay, sorry, we have to, because we have to do add and sum, and so I am putting the value of 50 only. Okay, now we have to also write the sum, that what will be the sum, how there will be the addition of A and B, because we have to define it the C. So we have to write addition, ADD add is equal to A plus B. Okay, then subtraction, sum, yeah, we have written here sum, I'm sorry, it will be A minus B. Okay, again, then here we have written multiplication, MULTI multi, then we have to write a is equal to A, we have to press shift plus 8. Okay, this is the of the multiplication, this is the symbol, A into B. Now we have to press the divide one, so we have to write DIV divide, which is equal to A divided by, we have to not press that. Okay, so be alert. Okay, A divided by B means we have to divide the A from B. So if you want to divide B to A, then you can write B first and yes. Okay, and now we have to move with the printf. So let's start printf. Okay, so I'm writing plus addition of A is equal to modulus D, and B is equal to modulus D is equal to modulus D. Then we have to write slash n, means the next line. Then we have to write subtraction, SUBSTRACTION, subtraction, SUBSTRACTION, subtraction of A, which is equal to modulus D, and B, which is equal to modulus D, I'm sorry, B is equal to modulus D is equal to modulus D. Okay, and now again we will put the next line, then multiplication of A, which equals to modulus D, and B, which is equal to modulus D is equal to modulus D. Multiplication of A and B is equal to modulus D, since what you know. And now the next one again will put the thing, and this is the last thing that we have going to put is the division. Division of A is equal to modulus D, and B is equal to modulus D is equal to modulus D. Okay, and we are going to drop the thing but we have to first complete it. But now we have to not do one mistake, then we have to write, since now it's sum of a and b is equal to addition, we have written here add, a double d. Okay, now sum of subtraction of a and b is equal to subtraction, sub. Now multiplication of a and b is equal to multiply, multiply, means in the place of integers what we have to write that, we have to write that value here. Okay, now we have to write division, which div, division div. Okay, we have to write we have to write first division of a and b, a and b is equal to div. Okay, so now we are closing this, now opening. And I also want to tell you one thing, that in this place of that we can't change it. So let's start it and let's compile the program whether it is correct or not. Yes, this one is correct, no warning, no error, as you can see. Now we are going to compile the program, run the program, Ctrl plus F9. See, addition of a is equal to 100, b is equal to 50 is equal to 150. Subtraction of a is equal to 100, b is equal to 50 is equal to 50. Multiplication of a is equal to 100, b is equal to 50 is equal to 5000. And division of a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50 is 2. So if you do like the video, then do hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to be updated from our channel. So guys, this is Aiko finishing this video. Here it's